Oh shoot!
Dude.
What's up? Came to pay a visit.
Damn.
Hey, it looks good in here, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's all lit up. What do you think?
Well, it's all like
Karina.
It looks
you have
wonderful.
the stuff outside.
Puro pinche shop.
Look at this. Wow.
It's
So I'm gonna do this is where the wiring graph is gonna go,
Okay.
and this is where I'm gonna cut the wires to the measurement that they're just gonna, and I'm gonna crimp everything. Make
Oh,
sure everything's
sick.
right, so I can just grab this, the harness, and throw it on there, dude. But it's gonna be
yeah.
cool because it's gonna be like we get the parts, put them here. We're gonna know exactly where to cut them, how to route them, the distances. So you can just unplug it, grab the component, put everything, and just route it. Everything's gonna be.
And then you can also do, well, obviously just here, but you can do like testing if something's wrong. Boom.
Exactly, like a
Tie it
testing
in.
And I'm gonna remove all this, and this is gonna be the electrical section. I'm gonna put a spool. A tube with the spools. So shrink wrap. It compresses this with this and this, so the tire won't move on you. That's how I used to break my chains before. That's how I got it. And then so once you tighten this up, you put it all the way through, and when you touch everything, it compresses everything in place. No, so leave it like that for now. But once I get them, they're already on the order. I'll give you some. I do it for you. Yeah, this guy goes right here. You still need these. You can work on these right here, the uprights. These things right here.
Together.
Yeah. So. Like the handlebars, they need to get cut. And then you need to machine a piece that's 4 inches, that's 4.5. You're gonna machine half of an inch off. You're gonna insert it in there, weld it, so you can put all your accessories.
I feel like if I wanted to do the seat.
Dude, look at this tip.
You got it.
But look, like what I'm talking, the tip, like sharpers don't leave it like that. Hey, let's do a 805 commercial.
Did you see that?
Level up.
You're building custom mini bikes, 805s.
Only one.
Here at DingoMoto, we thrive on snacks.
Oh.
Snack after snack.
You think we should machine it? Try machine it, huh? So you pass this front right here? Let's kind of do that.
Alright. No taken. How's that for the foot?
Oh, you're good.